Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize the screen options for bedtime mode in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, where to look for the bedtime mode. So, phone settings. Then we are looking for the digital well-being and parental controls menu. Then we need to scroll down and here we have our bedtime mode. Where are the screen options? They are here under the customize option and at the very bottom bedtime options at screen options at bedtime. So we have option to enable or disable grayscale, the option to keep the screen dark, the option to dim our wallpaper, and the option to enable our dark mode or dark theme, rather. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.